mahalaga ang bawat hakbang, lakad lang, mahahanap mo rin ang linya mo. So ano lang, parang huwag kayong ma-pressure masyado. Bata pa kayo, marami pa kayong mararanasan. Mas maganda na mag-try out kayo ng mga bagay that you love. Sayang naman yung oras niyo kung hindi mga bagay na pressured lang kayong gawin dahil sinabi ng society. Pero dumanas ka 'no, mag-experience ka, alamin mo kung saan ka magaling, saan ka natutuwa, saan ka kinikilab
What is the most common mistake of the business owners do?
ayun, doing it for money, I think. Solely for money. Siyempre business 'yan, hindi ko naman sabihin na hindi mo gagawin for money. Kailangan mo 'yun para mapaikot yung business mo. Pero solely doing it for that and hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, you'll have a miserable life. 'Di ba? Bakit mo 'yun ginagawa? Not unless talagang passion mo ay money and nagagamit mo siya ng maayos, then do so. No? Pero if nasisilaw ka lang para lang kumita ng kumita and you'll sacrifice your values and principles as a person, ang miserableng buhay nun.
What is the best financial advice that you ever received?
Ano, financial advice, um, gumastos ka. Kasi
Can you tell us more about
kasi
that?
kasi sinabi sa akin 'to ng dati kong bosses, si Sir Manolo Quezon III. Sabi niya, yung pera ay meant to be spent. Kasi kung tinatago mo lang din 'yan lagi, alam naman natin 'yan, na malulugi 'yan, dahil sa inflation. Pero 'pag masyado ka ring matipid, baka pinagkakait mo rin sa sarili mo yung experience, yung enjoying your own money, 'di ba, na money well spent, no? Ay, money well spent, um, yung pera na pinagsikapan mo, kailangan mong ma-enjoy para naman yung enjoyment na yun will fuel you to work harder to earn more. So, hindi ko sinasabing maglustay ka o ano ka 'no, mag-casino ka o gano'n. Parang ang sinasabi ko ay, huwag kalimutan yung sarili na yung pera na pinagsisikapan mo ma-enjoy mo kasi baka tumanda ka na, puro ka business, puro ka ipon, hindi mo na na-enjoy yung buhay.
So, as an entrepreneur, what was the biggest lesson that you had that you can still apply in today's time?
Stick to your values as a person and kailangan maging accountable ka to yourself and to your partners. Pupunta kayo sa mga moments na napakahirap, na ang laki ng financial implication, relationships are at stake. Pero if you stick with your values, na alam mo kung ano yung dapat gawin, tamang gawin, uphold mo yun. Dahil at the end of the day, ano man ang mangyari, kasi businesses naman, they, ano yun, no? Parang they thrive,